Hello and welcome to CAIE Grade 3 Math. This is Unit 1C, Measure. I am your teacher, Andrea Montero Bullón. In this unit, we will learn about money, time, weight, capacity, height, and length. Money, dollars and cents. Vocabulary. The word you need to learn in this unit is cent. Look at these coins. They are all 1 cent coins. 1 cent of an euro, 1 cent of a Turkish lira, kuruş, 1 cent of a dollar. Cents are written after the dot in any amount. $100 make 1 euro, 1 lira, or $1. 100 cents. There are more coins. If we have 5 cents, we can get a 5-cent euro coin, a 5-cent dollar coin, or a 5 kuruş coin. 10 cents can also be exchanged for a 10-cent coin in euros, 1 dime or 10 cents for dollars, and 10 kuruş in Turkish liras. 50 cents together. If you have 50 cents, you can exchange it for a 50-cent euro coin, for a 50-cent or half dollar coin, or 50 kuruş coin. How many cents are there in 2 coins of 5 cents? Yes, you're right. 10 cents. But if I need 85 cents, which coins can I use to make that amount? 85 cents. Well, I can use a 50-cent coin, and then 10, and another 10, and another 10 coin. That's 80. 85 cents in total. I used 5 coins. But I can also use 10 and 10 and 10 and 10 and another 10 and another 10 and another 10 and another 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80 cents. 85. There are many ways to make amounts of money. 100 cents is 1 euro. This number 1 means 100 cents. 100 cents. When we add money, we can use a place value system. So, 2 euros, 1 plus 1 equals 2. 85 plus 25 cents equals 110. But remember, 100 is an euro. 100 is an euro. So we need to remove it and take it to the euros. 2 plus 1 equals 3. I have 3 euros and 10 cents. 3 euros dot 10 cents. Time. In this topic, the word you need to remember is century. To measure time, we use units and tools. Clock is a tool to measure time. This is an analogical clock, and this is a digital clock. Both clocks measure time. A calendar also measures time. We can start with a day to measure the units. A calendar has days. It counts the days. If you measure a little less than a day, those are hours. There are 24 hours in one day. And there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. We can also count up many days together. 7 days together make a week. 7 days make a week. And many weeks together, many days together, make a month. January, February, March. 12 months together make a year. 2021. And 100 years together make a century. We live in the 21st century. Now, look at these clocks. This is an analog clock. It's very easy to read them. First, we need to look at the minutes. The minutes is the long arrow. You can see it here in red. Minutes are counted in fives. 5, 10, 20, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. But you can also count it backwards. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Minutes is the long arrow. We count them in fives in either direction. Hours are even easier. Hours are marked by the short arrow. And they can only move in one direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Then what are these words? O'clock, quarter, half, quarter. When the minute arrow, the minutes hand, touches either of these minutes, we can say 15 or quarter, 0 or o'clock, 30 or half, 15 or quarter. We will add to or past to the minutes, depending on which side the minutes hand is. Now, let's read this clock. First, the minutes. You can see the long hand counting in fives. 5, 10, 15 minutes. Is it in the pink area or the green area? You're right, it's pink. So 15 past or quarter past. That's right. Then what about the hour? It's 12. We've passed 12. Well done. Let's try one more time. Now, look at this clock. We have the minute hand here. Let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. It is in the past area. It's pink. So we will say 30 past or half past. Well done. Now, what hour is it? The shorthand. You are right. It's 6. It's very, very short. Well done. Let's try again. Look at this clock. Look at the minutes hand, the long minutes hand. Can you count towards there? You're right. We will use the green side to count. 5, 10, 15. We can say 15 to or quarter to. Well done. Now, what hour is it? Which hour is the short hand, the short arrow pointing at? 9. It will be 9. Well done. Fantastic job. Can you guess which time are these digital clocks telling us? It's very easy in this case. Here to the right, we will have the minutes and the hours. In the left, minutes and hours. So we can say 15 past 12 or just 12:15. This is the same time. 12 and 15. So we will choose the same 15 quarter past 12. It's much easier. One more time. How many minutes can you count? 30. Or half? 30 or half past? Which hour is it? It's 6. You are right. Well done. Let's try one more time. Look at these minutes. How can you count them? Well, you could say 45, but that is a long way. It's easier if we count just 15, 2, or quarter to. It's faster. So we will choose 2, quarter to, or 15 to. Which hour comes next? You're right. 15 to 9 or quarter to 9. We add 1 hour on the green side. Days, hours, minutes, and seconds can also be used to create timetables. We will write the day at the top and divide our time in minutes or hours for our daily activities. My language lesson is 40 minutes, but my lunch break will be 1 hour. Time helps us to organize our timetables. Weight, capacity, height, and length. In this unit, the vocabulary you need to remember is distance between, distance to, from, kilometer, km, meter, m, centimeter, cm, liter, L, half liter, container. This is the unit of measure for weight, capacity, and length and height. Weight can be measured in kilograms or grams using a scale. Capacity can be measured in liters or half liters using measuring cups. Length and height can be measured in kilometers, meters, or centimeters using measuring tape or a ruler if the item is very small. Look at these rulers. Can you measure the length of the clip, the pencil, and the color pen in them? You need to place it starting on 0 centimeters and draw a line where it finishes. This paperclip is 4 centimeters long. What about this pencil? Is it placed on 0 centimeters? Yes. How long is this pencil? You're right, 15 centimeters long. Let's look at this last colored pencil. We will place it on 0. How long is this pencil? You're right, 9 centimeters long. This time, we are going to measure height. Look at these plants. How tall are they? Starting on 0, this plant is 2 centimeters tall. This plant is 5 centimeters tall. And the last plant is, starting from 0, 10 centimeters tall. Well done. Let's measure capacity. This jug is measuring 1 liter, and this other jug is only measuring half liter. We have split the liter into half liter. Finally, let's measure weight. How heavy is the salt? How many kilograms? 18 kilograms. Well done. We are counting in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 16, 18. Now, what about this watermelon? How many kilos is it? You're right. It's 15 kilos. We are counting in fives on this scale. Look at this present. How many kilos is it? Excellent. 20 kilograms. Because we are counting in tens. Well done. The watermelon is the lightest, only 15 kilos. And the present is the heaviest, 20 kilos. Kilos can also be shown on a bar graph. We will write the items on the bottom line or X and the number of kilos on the vertical line or X. Do we want to count in fives or in twos or in tens? Fives is easier here. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Then we will display and write the fruits. How many kiwis were sold? Kiwis. Then we will look at the bar and read 25. 25 kilos of kiwis. How many apples were they sold? Apples. 35 kilos of apples were sold. Bar graphs help us to read kilograms and other measurements. The end. Thank you for watching.